Do you think you need to eat plain salad all day to lose weight? That's boring and unsustainable, especially if you hate salad. Personally, I prefer cooked vegetables over salad, and that's because that's what I ate growing up. Instead, there are ways to eat more food. That's right, more food and still lose weight. How? Firstly, let's talk about how one gets the fullness or satisfied feeling signal to our brain when we eat. It's by volume of food. Once our stomachs are filled up to a certain volume, it sends a signal to our brain and it tells us that we are full and to stop eating. And so what we want to do is fill up that volume to get that signal to our brain going, but not all calories are created equally. I talk more about calories and the differences in calories in this video that you can watch here. Essentially, calories in food is determined by gram weight of carbs, protein, and fat. Carbs, protein, and fat are the macros that make up food and contain calories. In addition to calories and macros in food, there's also micronutrients like vitamins and minerals and water content. Water content makes up the majority of some food. For example, fruits and veggies are about 70 to 99% water. Beans, pasta, and rice are about 60 to 70% water, and meat is about 60% water. And this makes sense if you think about it. When you cook down 1 cup of spinach, it becomes like about a tablespoon of spinach. And how 1 grape dehydrates to remove water and it becomes a tiny ant-sized raisin, right? So the easiest way to eat more food and still lose weight is by volume of less caloric dense foods. As a dietitian, you would expect me to say, eat more fruits and vegetables. But as a weight loss dietitian and weight loss coach, I tell you to eat more fruits and veggies to add volume, to fill you up, and make you feel full without adding the calories. So what does that really mean? Well, most people have the protein and carbs as the majority of their plate, like 80 to 90% of their plate, and maybe 10% is veggies. We can see that up to 90% of the plate is packed with calories, while only 10% is the low calorie and high water content or bulking part of their meal. But if you change the ratios to the veggies going up to 30 to 50% and having the carbs and protein component be 50 to 70%, you're dropping the calories by a lot without compromising on the amount of food that you're actually eating. In fact, you'll probably be eating more and longer because it takes more time to chew veggies and also because the water content is high. If plain side veggies don't appeal to you and neither does a side salad, here are some ways to increase your veggie content with your meals to add bulk. One is adding cauliflower rice to regular rice. You can buy rice cauliflower and microwave or stir fry it and combine it with regular rice. It mixes well since the flavor of rice cauliflower is very plain. The second thing is you can add veggies to your pasta sauce. Don't just make spaghetti and meatballs or bolognese sauce with meat. Instead, add veggies like carrots, zucchini, celery, or spinach to your pasta sauce. It absorbs the flavor and adds its own flavor as well. The third thing is use veggies in stir fry. Instead of cooking a piece of chicken breast or steak or tofu, slice it up and add soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and oil and make a simple, lower calorie stir fry sauce. When you cut up the protein and mix it with veggies, the portion of the protein can be reduced without you knowing it because there's other textures and bulk from the veggies. Fourth thing is add fresh fruit and veggies to your snacks. Instead of having a trail mix with dry fruits and nuts, have the nuts and eat it with some grapes or berries instead. Or add some veggie sticks like celery or carrots to your savory snack. You can download my free PDF with snack ideas to help you stay energized and help you with your weight loss goals. The link for that is in the description below. Also, make sure you're staying hydrated throughout the day so you aren't reaching for food to quench your thirst. What are some ways you can change your diet to add more volume and water content to your food while losing weight? Let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my elite weight loss coaching program at adriennrd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes of healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.